WISeKey, as a proven provider of digital security and expert in anti-cloning purposes, the WISePrint solution that allows to detect securely and reliably printer ink and cartridges. WISePrint is now being applied to 3D printers to ensure the authenticity of the spools. For this demonstration, we have equipped 2 spools with the contactless version of the WISePrint secure chip. When a spool is loaded, the 3D printer will use its wireless reader to interrogate the chip, and thanks to the WISePrint solution, will determine if it's genuine. If the spool is not authentic, then a warning message will be displayed and the spool will be rejected. Let's look at how it works. Each spool integrates a WISeKey contactless secure chip called Vault IC. The Vault IC is a secure microcontroller that contains a firmware dedicated to anti-cloning. It also has embedded cryptographic functions, including the generation of a digital signature. Each Vault IC contains a unique key pair in its protected memory. The unique key pair is a public and private key that is used for digital signature generation and verification. Each Vault IC also contains a unique digital certificate based on this unique key pair. Digital certificates, such as national ID cards, reliably assert the identity of a person or an object. They contain public data such as the unique public key, the name, the issuing organization, an expiration date, the status, and a unique signature. The status can be activated, expired, or revoked. Activated is the valid status, while revoked means deactivated due to suspected fraudulent operations such as thief or cloning. Any certificate is issued and signed by a certificate authority, or CA, a trusted third party that allows others to rely on the corresponding public key. During manufacturing, the unique key pairs and the unique certificate are inserted into the secure chip in a secure environment. The secure chip is then integrated onto the authentic spool. At power-up of the printer and each time the spool is loaded, the printer will start the process of authentication. The printer will first read the certificate from the Vault IC and then check it for validity and authenticity. It must have a valid date, an activated status, and a signature verified with the certificate authority. To do this checking, the printer is connected to the WISeKey certificate management system based on public key infrastructure. Then the printer sends a challenge to the Vault IC that sends it back signed with its private key. The printer then can verify this signature using the unique public key read from the certificate. If the certificate or the signature of the challenge is invalid, then the printer will display a not genuine message and the spool will be rejected. The spool can be used for normal operation only when both the certificate and the signature of the random challenge are valid. Getting back to our demonstration, another spool which is genuine is loaded. This time, an approval message is displayed. The printer can then start using this spool. WISePrint is a proven PKI solution based on a highly secure element and unique and unforgettable digital certificates issued by WISeKey as accredited certificate authority. The hardware module is wired or wireless, and up to 10 cartridges can be authenticated in 1 second. The refill protection is one of the many WISePrint's other features. For more information, please contact our sales at wisekey.com.